Beautiful people, welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My good name is Koga. Good afternoon. Actually, it's good afternoon back in East Africa, Kenya, from the village of Nyabohanse, and I'm coming live from the village of Nyabohanse. So, guys, so happy to I thank God for everything He has done for me, and because it's not that easy. You see, some people are in the hospital laying, they can't even walk, they can't even talk, and for me, the Almighty God has enabled me to be here this afternoon, and I really thank God for everything. You guys, you should be always thanking God for everything He's doing for you, and for keeping your family safe, keeping you safe. Yeah. So guys, I want to thank all of you who are supporting me by subscribing to my channel, commenting, advising on what to do. And I really thank to my returning viewers and to appreciate your support, and also to my new subscribers. Welcome to the team. The team, yeah, my team. It's small, but I'm still pushing to 100,000 subscribers, and I'm still working on my watching hours. So if you're coming for the first time into my channel, please guys, make sure to consider to subscribe to my channel, watch my video, like and share, and also don't forget to leave a very sweet comment that will motivate me to do more videos each and every day. So guys, actually, as you can see, I'm walking, and today I'm going to do an amazing video. Like, you're going to like it. It's about poultry farming. As you all know, we have birds into our home, and we actually keep them. So guys, on my way to look for guava's leaf, and you'll all know the reason as to why I'm going to look for the guava's leaves and what I'm going to do with them in poultry farming. So make sure guys, stay tuned and make sure to watch the video till the end. Please make sure to watch the video till the end so that you can know about poultry farming and the purpose of the guava leaves in poultry farming. So guys, we're still working, and I'm still looking for the how do you call it, guava leaves. But in this area we don't have any guava leaves, so that's why I'm still working to look for them. Like, I really need the guava leaves, and I've seen a tree here. We have a tree there. I don't think if you can see that tree. Let me just zoom it close like that. Yeah, so that tree, I'm being told that one of my friend is telling me that if you have that kind of plantation into your farm, like people in our Kuria culture, they do believe that if you have that kind of plant into your farm, you have a lot of livestock. Like, you will be having many cows in your farm. Like, you have that hand of wanasemanga, how can I put this, like wanasema ukikuwa na huo mti kwa shamba yako, uko na mkono wa kufuga ng'ombe. So that's it. So my good people, so let's keep walking as I show you around. You can see that's my friend over there. He always helped me. He's called Monanka, and he always helped me in doing some videos and advising me on what to do. And so much, I love him like a brother, I love him like a friend. So guys, we are still, how can I say this, I want to sing a song for you. I don't want you guys to be bored. I want to sing a song, so I'm going to sing this song. I hope you will like the song. The song is let me sing this song. Actually, it's a gospel song, and it's a praise and worship song. Let me just sing this one. I really have to sing this one for you. So guys, this song, it's it's a good song, and it's a nice song. So it's being sung like this: mimi nipungue, wewe uongezeke, mimi nipungue, wewe uongezeke, uongezeke Yesu, uongezeke sana, mimi nipungue, wewe uongezeke. So guys, if you know the song, you can just go and download it so that you can listen to the song. So yeah, that's the song, and I love it so much. So to my audience, I would also like you to listen to that song. It really means a lot. So yeah. So guys, actually that's one of our neighbors' compound, and we were asking if he has the such kind of plantation so that we can able to remove the leaves on it. So we're being told to go in the other side of, yeah, Shika. Yeah, we are being told to go on the other side and we will be able to get the guava leaves. Actually, you can see that compound. It's very nice. I hope you see it. You can see how neat it is. Very neat. And I can also show you around. Tunapita. So we are going mpaka tuzunguke mpaka huko. We tuzunguke. So you can see so guys, you can see we are going to that. You can just see around how beautiful the place is, and oops. So guys, you can just see that farm the way it is. It's very neat, and wow, we have different crops planted in that farm. You can just see we have banana plantation, we have sugarcane, we have power over there, we have oranges. Wow, I just like this one. Just look at that. So let's keep going. Actually, that's the compound that I was showing. Now I'm inside the compound. You can see how the compound looks like. Very neat. So let's keep going. Tunapata wapi? Umesema iko wapi?
Imepatikana hapa niliko Musa hapa. Mangu huu siku mangu chimbo kwa. Wana hapo kwenye kuku hapo.
So the guy is directing us. Yeah, he's over there. So let's keep going. We are being told that we will find the guava leaves in this area. You can actually see, I don't think if you can see the guava leaves from far, but let's just go and ask so that we can give in to remove the guava leaves. So okay, actually the plantation is there. Let me just zoom it. You can see that's the guava plantation, guava tree. Actually it's not a plantation because it's not that big. Yeah guys, just look at that. That's the compound. Hey, so guys, I was saying this. The guava leaves those guava leaves are big, and we don't want those guava leaves that they are big. We need to use the guava leaves that are very small. They are very young, hazijakoma sana. That's why we didn't pick those. So we're going to look in another place. So actually, I have something. I've seen something. This one is chili plantation. Chili. We call them pili pili. These ones are those small ones. Just look at those. They're very small and they're still growing. Actually, I think this plant, it just grew up by itself. No one planted it. So yeah, it's still going. Let's go. I mean, sorry, it's not going. Sasa naweza kukapta. Naweza ongea. Sasa toto. Shikamo. Shikamo. Turn. Baby. We have pineapples, nanasi. They're being planted over here, though they're not many. Can see? Pineapples. Well, the owner of this land, of this area, I didn't show you. We have, how do you call them? Avocado. So you can see the fruits are there, avocado fruits are there, and actually very soon I'll come to ask for one. I love avocado, guys. Love avocado. And another thing, I have avocado tree which is still coming up. It's still growing. You can just look at that. Yeah, so let's go. Looked after mpera. Tunaenda kutafuta mpera. Dawa la kuku. Home sweet home. You can see how our village, we are so blessed. You can just see every plant is green in color. Nothing is dried. So you guys, you should come back. You should come to Kenya, visit Kenya, know more about Kenya, and you'll be so proud of our motherland. So guys, we're going to pass through this place. So as you can see, he's passing, then I'll be following him. We have some nature over here. You can see these stones. Yeah. Just look at that. The nature of Nyabohanse village. That's why you keep seeing people are coming from abroad to Nyabohanse, and others are asking like, what's in that village? What's really happening in that village? It's because of this. We are blessed, and that's why we have people coming from abroad to our village. So if you're out there and you're asking yourself, why do people come from abroad to Nyabohanse? Because we have good things. We have some nature on it, and that's why people are still coming each and every day in our village. We have some cows. They're grazing. We are still looking for the guava leaves. Just imagine, I've just come all the way from my home up to this place. Actually, we have we can see there is a road there, and I've seen something. Let me show you. We have those crops. They're called, I don't know how they're called. I used to hear they call them Spanish something. I'm not sure about the crop's name, but you can just comment it on the comment section. You can just see they're being planted in this area, but they're not that many. Yeah, you can see how they're being planted. To me, there was a day my mom came with this kind of vegetable at home, and I was like, "Mom, what's this? May I can't eat this one." And she was like, "Oh, this is very sweet. You need to taste it." Like, yuck! I can't. No, 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 no. I can't. To me, I can't. Not unless I'm used to the plant. That's when I'll be eating without fearing. So that's the Spanish vegetable. So keep walking. We're still looking for the guava leaves, and I hope we will be able to find them very, very soon, so that we can go back at home and prepare the. Actually, it's a medicine. Yeah, prepare the medicine for the birds back at home. Guys, oh my God! The vegetable is not actually the Spanish vegetable. It's called a It's a Chinese something. Yeah, that's name. I'm sorry for making you understanding me in a wrong way. So the vegetable is called, actually it's a china. I don't know. I just don't know the name of the vegetable. Let me again. Yeah, it's there. Chinese, whatever. Chinese, whatever the name is. Just comment the name in the comment section. Actually, over here we have some guava leaves. You can see they're there, and we're going to remove them. Yeah, I'm going to remove them. So we have the guava leaves. They're here. You can just see them. These are the guava leaves that we wanted. You can see these are the one that I wanted, and I'm going to as you can see, I've removed some of them. That here. Yeah, so I'm continuing. Actually, the person that I came with, see, we are he's trying to kupeana mistari. He's there. Yeah, I've even forgotten about that. The purpose as to why we came in this place. So anyway, continue by myself. It's just that where is I'm still. It doesn't okay. Yeah.
Standa ingine huko.
Juu tunafaa kuchukua haya marere. Haya marere.
Sasa toa hizo vichwa tu.
So this one is not enough. Actually, we're going to look for the other guava leaves in another place, just within this area. Yeah, so let's go. So guys, we have a lot of birds, so that's why you can see that I'm really trying to remove. I'm trying to remove the leaves so that they can be enough for the birds. I think this one is enough. This one is enough. It will help us a lot. So actually, we're just going to use this one, and so right now we're heading back at home. Then we're going to do the real purpose, like the real video that which we were supposed to do. So we're going back at home. Let me just remove this one. Okay. Actually, we have come out with the guava leaves, and we want first to wash the guava leaves so that we can prepare the guava leaves to the buds. So actually this guava leaves. So let me start by washing. And I was saying these guava leaves are very important to our buds. And first, the guava leaves they have like they contain protein, carbohydrates, and fiber. And another thing also about the guava leaves is that they help a lot in they help a lot they help buds to produce, like they boost the immune of the buds. And another benefits of the guava leaves is that the it helps to oh sorry hebu tuanze hiyo kitu woman. So guys, actually we have already gotten the guava leaves, and now we want to prepare them for the buds. These guava leaves are very important, and they really help in poultry farming. And another thing, guys, if you don't have the guava leaves, make sure if you don't have the guava leaves in your farm, make sure to have the guava leaves because they really help a lot in the buds. And one thing is that they are highly in protein, carbohydrates and fiber, and it is also good. It also boost the immune system of the buds. And another thing is also that it can heal if your buds are sneezing or they're coughing, you can easily give them the guava leaves. So as you can see right now, I'm trying to remove, like I just want to remain with the leaves alone. That's why we are seeing I'm removing the leaves alone. Then I'm going to blend them. After that, if you don't have a blender, you can actually grind, like you can grind them using a stone. Like back then, people used to grind using a stone. Just grind the leaves until they become soft. And another thing is that these guava leaves, they help a lot in coccidiosis. If your birds have coccidiosis, and this coccidiosis is the birds can have coccidiosis if where they're staying, the place is very wet and it's not dry. So you need to ensure that the place where your birds are, it's very wet. It's not supposed to be. Oh, sorry, I was saying that you need to ensure that where your birds are staying, it's supposed to be dry. The place is not supposed to be wet, because if the place becomes wet, you find that the birds can lead to coccidiosis, which leads and this coccidiosis can make your birds, they can lower the production of your birds. So guys, make sure to embrace the magical fiber herbs into your poultry farming, and you will have a lot of changes. Actually, some people also use they use mango leaves, others use power leaves, and it also works. So you can also do with the power leaves or mango leaves and many other leaves. It's not only about the guava leaves, but for me, I've preferred using the guava leaves since it's the best for me, and I've been working with it. That's why you can see I'm measuring on the guava leaves, and that's why you can see I really walked a long way to look for this guava leaves. So guys, make sure to watch the video till the end, and you're going to see the importance and the purposes why I'm using the guava leaves in poultry farming. So there is no need. Another thing is that You see, a lot of people prefer using medicine. Like they go to the to an aggravate, they buy some medicine for their birds. Actually, for us, we rarely buy the medicine, not unless the sickness is that serious. So that's why you can see we are just using this fiber, this or the organic fiber to treat our birds. So guys, let me just finish this, and then after this I'm going to use the, you can see I have a blender, jug of the blender is over there. I'm going to use that blender to blend the leaves, and then after that I'm going to mix the juice from the leaves with water and I'm going to add it with water, then I'll put it to the birds. So guys, make sure please watch my video till the end. So let me first put them into a blender. So that's our blender. The blender is here. I'll add some small water so that I'm going to add a small water inside the leaves of the guava leaves so that the blender can grind it well. So guys, actually I've already done preparing the leaves. So right now I'm going to blend. You can see here's my blender. I have water, so I'm going to blend the leaves. Sorry about that.
Your machine.
So let me first fix it well. Then I'm going to add water. Like that. So guys, you can see I've already blended and we have the juice. So let me change it first. I'm going to change this jar. Then I'll be blending the other one. Just look at that. You've seen that? Actually, I've already blended the leaves, so I just want to remain with the juice. I'm going to save it. As you can see, I'm sieving it to remove the particles. I just want to remain with the juice alone. Then after that, I'm going to add the juice into water. Then I'm going to place the water to the birds. So guys, actually that's the purpose of the the reason as why I went to look for these guava leaves, and I've already told you the benefits of guava leaves into poultry farming. And if you've never used these guava leaves, please make sure go and look for the guava leaves, come and prepare them and give them to your birds. They will work good on your birds. You can see that's the juice. Yoba. How does evil?
2, 3.
I'm going to add, as you can see, I'm adding the juice into water. Like that. So let me go and check the medicine. Make sure to watch. Earlier I told you about coccidiosis. So like the governments also help in coccidiosis in poultry farming. So I was saying this, where the birds live, the place should be very, very dry. It's not supposed to be wet. As you can see, our place is very dry because if it was wet, our birds will catch coccidiosis, which lower the production of the birds. So make sure this place is very dry and it's not supposed to be wet. So that was the purpose of me going to look for the magical guava leaves. That was the reason as why I went to bring the magical guava leaves so that I can give it to my birds. So as you can see, I've already prepared it and I've already added the juice from the guava leaves to the water. So guys, make sure to watch my video till the end and also continue supporting me by subscribing to my channel, commenting, sharing my video, and also like that will really motivate me. So guys, thank you so much for your support and bye.